What if a 200-meter asteroid impacted the central United States? It's a scenario that sounds like the plot of a sci-fi movie, but let's explore the real science behind it. Let's dive into the science of such a catastrophic event and its far-reaching consequences. The impact of a 200-meter asteroid would be nothing short of apocalyptic. First off, let's set the scene. The central United States, known for its vast plains and bustling cities, would be the unfortunate target. A 200-meter asteroid traveling at 20 kilometers per second would hit with the force of around 1,000 megatons of TNT. To put that into perspective, it's like detonating 1,000 million tons of dynamite all at once. That's about 20 times more powerful than the most powerful nuclear bomb ever detonated. The immediate result? A massive explosion that would be felt for hundreds of kilometers. An explosion that would create a crater roughly 3 kilometers wide and 500 meters deep. This crater would be a gaping wound on the Earth's surface, visible from space. Now let's talk about the damage. The sheer force of the impact would obliterate everything in its immediate vicinity. Within a 50-kilometer radius, everything would be leveled. Cities, towns, infrastructure gone. The landscape would be unrecognizable. The initial impact would incinerate anything within this zone, causing catastrophic fires and seismic waves. The death toll? It would be staggering, easily in the millions. Considering the population density of the central US, the human cost would be unimaginable. But the devastation wouldn't stop there. The ripple effects would extend far beyond the immediate impact zone. The shock waves would travel hundreds of kilometers, shattering windows and collapsing buildings. The destruction would be widespread. The economic costs would be astronomical, potentially reaching trillions of dollars. The financial burden would be felt for generations. Entire states would face years of reconstruction. The process of rebuilding would be long and arduous. The atmosphere would also take a hit. The impact would send shockwaves through the air, altering weather patterns. Dust and debris ejected into the stratosphere could block sunlight, leading to a dramatic drop in global temperatures. This phenomenon is known as an impact winter. This impact winter could last for months, disrupting agriculture and leading to food shortages worldwide. The global food supply would be at risk. And let's not forget the ripple effects on the global economy. The interconnected nature of our world means that a disaster in one region can have far-reaching consequences. The US, being a major economic player, would see its markets crash, dragging down global markets with it. The financial instability would be unprecedented. Supply chains would be disrupted, leading to shortages of goods and skyrocketing prices. The economic ripple effects would be felt worldwide. In short, a 200-meter asteroid impact in the central United States would be a catastrophe of epic proportions. The scale of the disaster would be unlike anything we've ever seen. The loss of life, economic damage, and environmental impact would change the world as we know it. The aftermath would be a stark reminder of our vulnerability, but there's a silver lining. Advances in space observation and deflection technologies could potentially prevent such a disaster. Our growing understanding of space hazards gives us hope. Scientists are continually working on ways to detect and deflect dangerous asteroids, giving us hope for a safer future. The efforts of these dedicated researchers are crucial. With improved technology, we can identify potential threats early and take action to prevent them. The key is early detection and timely intervention, so what can you do? Stay informed, support space research, and advocate for policies that fund asteroid detection and deflection programs. Your support can make a difference, because when it comes to planetary defense, every bit helps. The collective effort of humanity is our best defense against cosmic threats. By supporting space exploration and planetary defense initiatives, we can ensure a safer future for generations to come. The importance of these efforts cannot be overstated. Remember, the universe is a big, fascinating place filled with wonders and dangers alike. Stay curious and stay vigilant.